Today we're going to do Unit 23, Day 1 of Letterland.
Let's learn with story phonics. Vowels out walking stories. Choose a vowel man. Now here's Mr. I and Mr. E out walking.
Hi, I'm Mr. I. You know I like to say my name, I. Greetings, I'm Mr. E. I say my name E in words. When we go out walking together, you will usually hear me say my name, I. But you won't hear me because I'm too busy looking out for robots.
When Mr. I and Mr. E go out walking, Mr. I usually does the talking. He just says his name, I, but his friend won't do the same. Explore.
When these two vowel men go out walking, they take turns to do the talking. Today, Mr. I is saying his name, I, while Mr. E is looking out for the robot gang. They have just walked under a clothesline full of ties. I wonder if they have dried. They have decided to stop for a picnic and have brought lots of pies. Can you see all those flies? I hope they don't eat the pies.
Magpie. Tie. Pie. Flies. Words. Click on the Letterlanders to hear the sound they make in words. Click on pie. Tie. Flies. Song. When two vowels go out walking, the first man does the talking. The first man says his name, I, but his friend won't do the same. But his friend won't do the same.
His friend is the lookout man, watching for the robot band, who catch vowels when they can, as they walk through Letterland. As they walk through Letterland.
Now we're going to go back and we're going to find the other spelling that we're going to learn about today under
Harry's
Stories.
stories. Choose a story.
Hi, I'm Mr. I. You know, I like to say my name, I.
I'm Golden Girl. I say G in words.
Hello, I'm Harry Hatman. I whisper in words. Harry Hatman hates noise, and Golden Girl is a good girl. So, when she sits next to Harry, she doesn't make a sound. I like to give her an ice cream to say how delighted I am for being so kind to Harry. I say I for ice cream.
Explore. Tonight, Mr. I is giving Golden Girl an ice cream. They are watching a play. There are two knights having a fight. It is night. Lucy Lamplight is using her light. She is on the left. What is on the right? Right. Light. Fight. Click on the Letterlanders to hear the sound they make in words. Click on the pictures to hear the words. Light,
Oops, we forgot to do night in the other one.
night. Right, fight. Song. I in high, I in light, I in night, I in right. That's right. Now you try.
Now we're going to see if we can use what we just learned to do some word building.
Word building. Click on the cards you would like to build words with.
I want you to say the
You
card
can
as I
change
pull
the
it
font
down.
style or
Bouncy Ben, Dippy Duck, Firefighter Fred, Harry Hatman, Lucy Lamplight, Noisy Nick, Peter Puppy, Red Robot, Talking Tess, and I'm going to click on Sleepy Sammy. And, of course, we need our new spellings for today. I-E, that says I. And we also need I-G-H, that says I. Now, let's build some words together. Okay, let's see if you can sound as I pull it down. Sound. Sound. I. Pie. I love to eat blueberry pie. Let's tap that one again together. I. Pie. Okay, I'm going to move Peter Puppy, and I'm going to put Talking Tess here. Let's tap this one together. I. Tie. Can you tie my shoe? Let's move Talking Tess and bring Lucy Lamplight. Let's tap this one. I lie. You should never tell a lie. Now we're going to work with the IGH. Here we go. And we're going to pull down Noisy Nick. What sound is Noisy Nick? IGH says I. And then we're going to bring down Talking Tess, who says t. Let's put this together. Please, let's tap this together. I. Night. I like to play outside at night. Let's put that in up there. And let's bring Lucy Lamplight down. Well, let's tap this one. Light. Light. It is light outside in the morning. Light. Bring Harry Hatman down. Sound. I. High. How high can the birds fly? Okay, now we're going to do live reading. I'm going to put the words up here. And let's see if you can read them as I put them up here. Of course, they've seen some before. Some are review, and that's okay. Just practice. Sound. I. What's that word? Tie. Now I'm going to bring the Sammy Snake here and put him on the end. Let's do the base word first. I ties. Very good. My brother ties my shoes every day. Ties. I hope that's not the case with you. I hope you can tie your own shoe. Now, I took Sleepy Sammy off, and we're going to put Dippy Duck down here. And we're going to make this past tense. That means it's already happened. Let's tap this now. I'd. Tied. I tied my brother's shoe for him. I hope that's the way that it is. Okay, now we're just going to slip little Red Robot in here, and I want us to blend this together. I'd. Tried. We tried our very best when it was field day. Tried. Now we're going to do some words with IGH. And remember, in this one, Mr. I does all the talking. What's the sound? L, I, light. Please turn the light on. I'm going to move Lucy Lamplight this time. I'm going to bring down Noisy Nick. Let's tap this one. Night. Night. I would like to stay the night at your house. I'm going to move Noisy Nick again. I'm going to bring down Firefighter Fred. Let's tap this. Fight. You should never fight at school. Let's just put Red Robot in there. He's sneaking in there everywhere. Let's do the first sound. Let's blend that together. Fright. Fright. You gave me a fright when you jumped out at me. Fright. Now I'm going to take Firefighter Fred off, and I'm going to put Bouncy Ben back here. Now let's blend the first two together. Bright. Bright. The sun is shining bright in the sky. Now, move that away, and let's do this word. Right. Right. Your mom was right when she said we had to stay home from school. Right. Excellent, boys and girls. I know you did an excellent job. Now I want you to take your word lists for today, and I want you to read them to your parents at least 3 times. Good luck. Remember, tap them if you need to. See you tomorrow.
Are you ready to quit? Bye-bye. See you again soon.